mwanasikana mukuru anove wekutanga waTinashe mutarisi weNashe Pains onyora mastatus anonzwisa tsitsi nekusereresa. Hey loves, hey chit chat family, welcome back to another hot episode with Ash. So guys, today I've come with a story inonzwisa tsitsi inotityisa nekutifundudza. Mwanasikana mukuru waTinashe mutarisi avo vana vemukuru weNashe Pains onyora ye mastatus anonzwisa tsitsi anosiririsa anoratidza kuti ari kutambudzika, ari kutambudzwa. Saka iye anyora achiti, me after pretending to be okay with a situation that makes my heart physically hurt. Hey, it's a big thing. And also she wrote, don't worry, one day me, then that situation I will go off like forever, which we think it might mean she'll be like out of this world. Saka zviri kukatyamadza ende mwana mukomenti section yobva vatiwadza hauzi mujolo here. It might be true guys, because mujolo uyanyisa then vamwe vamba vachina kuti ana kukasira kuzvisa pasocial media vanhu vangotiswa zvakawanda mucomment section, vamwe vachimutuka. But then what surprises me now, we don't know which is the correct account or not. Pane email yazoshandiswa zvandi guys, it's not me, ingakanzi futi Namwari, so now we don't know which is which. But anyway, let's just pray for our mental health. If there's anything chiri kumurwadza ngasanyembedzere kufara, because isusu tinongoona vachifara nababa wake, vachifara namai mutarisi semhuri, sezvo munongoona pamapictures aya vachifara, vachinakidzwa, vachienjoy your life, vachienda kumavacations, which is good, and that's what we are expecting from them. And vamutarisi vanoratidza kuti mwana wavo vanomuda, havana anything wrong with her. Even the wife by mutarisi also supported her. So hatizivi kuti what is happening. We're still waiting to hear more about the story, but be safe. Nami, we love you as Zimbabweans, we love you as the country, so just be safe, be with your dad, be with your siblings, be with your mom. If there's anything happened before, just take time, process and heal. If you need counseling, you can talk to your dad, then he can do it. We know that he can do it. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy the rest of the video. But please make sure you support this channel by subscribing, comment down below what do you think, is it true, is it not, and also guys, make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out anything that I'm going to post here, because every day I come with a tea. Yes, I come with everything that is hot outside. And yeah, she might need to do that, but we need to know if it's true or not. So comment down below guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I love you, but God loves you more, like always.